Okay, this is your first time. I give you 10 ringgit voucher.
Wow.
Special for you.
Cool.
He's tired. He just come from meeting.
Yeah. Only 3 or 4.
I have 7,000 steps now. I go walk around looking for my shoes. And finally, I find it. And I got there. So expensive for 600 ringgit. Ooh,
Really?
yeah.
Wow.
Super. Guys, so busy. It's a Chinese New Year soon here.
I can say I do the malls a little better than the Filipinos.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the Filipino malls, but these are a little
But
newer. I
Malaysia
think.
is more nice, right?
Yeah, just newer. I think that's why. Although you're talking about Rockwell or
Rockwell is nice.
not Rockwell's beautiful. The mall that I really like is the Uptown Mall.
BGC, very nice.
Yeah, BC. Oh, it's beautiful. That one's really that one's really nice. But Uptown, I mean, Rockwell's like 20 years old. That's why, and they've just kept it up. I thought it was new. It's not. Rockwell's a new one. Is it older?
So what is that? Here, baby, here. Look, check. Check the menu. Oh, there are people now. So guys, I thinking going for this steamboat.
Come on.
Yeah. No. The last one. The steamboat. People eating there.
Chicken side, beef side.
Is
seafood
this for
side,
two
and
person,
the rest-
right?
Yes, this is for 2%.
Can I have this for seafood?
Yeah, sure, no problem. So if you want to, at least you can, right? So I
Yeah.
give you table 9.
What is the nice
The 9 space is table 9. You can look at the view outside. So how about your soup? You got 3 soup?
which one is nice? What about this?
Mala soup, very nice one.
Give me
You
that
must
one.
try, very spicy.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, good.
Give me one Coke.
Okay, so how about you another one? So you can select 2 for 1 pot.
Yeah,
One
give
pot
me that
is-
tomato. Is this good?
Okay, sure. Tomato and mala, correct? So how about your drink? You want to take a free flow or you want to soft drink? Soft drink. So if you want to take a free flow, just every year for 1 person, you can refill anytime.
Oh, so you want that one?
Yeah, I think that.
Okay, you
Okay.
got S lemon tea and peach tea.
For one.
1 person.
One or both?
1 person every day.
Okay, give me one Coke.
Yes.
Cool. 1 cool and 1 refill drink. Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay, is we going upstairs?
Going up in the boat.
See, big boss is
That's right.
it's a nice outfit today. We go for meeting, find money, make money, and I go shopping.
I got mala.
Wow.
Yeah, table 9.
Wow, this is nice view.
So if you want to ask for the ice cream, you just call another guys.
Okay.
Okay, sure. You see first.
Excellent. Thank you. Oh, this is cool.
So big. Hi guys. So we're doing steamboat, guys.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yan. Mala Hotpot. So we're going to call again. He's doing business again. Okay guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Malaysia. So, our holiday in Philippines is over. So, andito na kami ngayon sa Malaysia. Kahapon kami, kaninang madaling araw kami dumating. Kasi yung flight always delay. Parang 3 times nag-delay yung Philippine Airline. So, super pagod, super antok. Tapos, dumating kami sa bahay at 6:30 in the morning already. So, parang late. Tapos, kailangan pa ng asawa ko magising ng umaga kasi may meeting siya. Kaya ngayon, heto kami ngayon. Tingnan mo. So, Kaya naisipan ko mag-mukbang ngayon sa restaurant kasi wala akong time mag-cook. Busy siya, busy. Tapos ako shopping ng shopping. Kaya yan. So, tingnan natin tong hotspot. Grabe. So, ang nangyari guys sa flight namin, super talaga stress. Kasi yung AirAsia, dapat yung flight namin sa 6, it's 1 p.m. Tapos, minove nila to 1 a.m. So, na-miss na yung flight namin. So, kailangan namin mag-book ng Philippine Airlines ang available lang papuntang Malaysia. Alam nyo ba guys, yung ticket, sobrang mahal dahil is emergency, like 40,000 pesos to just come back to Malaysia, and one way lang yon, sobra. Kaya super stress.
We weren't going to be here long enough to get into the new one. Let me reboot my phone. Try that.
So, ambil sauce semua dekat bawah.
Bawa.
That sucks. Really sucks.
Okay. So guys, this is bawang and chili. Okay. And still, you want garlic or vinegar. This is vinegar.
Finally found a pair that works. It's got. You want to put this?
Wait later, later.
Two?
Yeah, we have to. I think no need. I think that one already cooked.
You think?
Yeah.
Hi, Jerry.
Thank you. So it's kind of like this is all frozen. That's fish. Chipon. Yeah. There you go. This is fresh, guys. Seafood.
Finally some decent food.
Finally, we find a decent food. This one, So this guys is a garlic sauce with vinegar and soy sauce, and this one is a dry onion. Tapos meron akong chili. Tingnan nyo guys, that's a lot of chili, and that's your baby. Spicy. Mix it this baby.
Oh, we got soup.
Huh?
Oh, we get soup.
That's the soup.
Oh.
So we wait boiling. Kaya nagkain siya.
I might as well play this one. Wait for that one. Open up.
Yun. Tingnan mo, mahilig yan sa headset. Bumili na naman na 1,000 headset.
I'm giving my personal assistant. Hurry up. She'll open it for me.
Tapos ako ang inuutusan.
Kind of bumped that way. My other one. We want to figure out how much we get metal. Of course, if they return it, I can still buy it close. So it worked really good when I called this one. No, this side. The other side never worked when I opened it. Only got one here. I'm trying to understand why that is. Yeah. I'm still trying to get my money back. That one's not as good as this one.
Put it near that. Put it over that. It falls in there. It's all done. Good, man. It says 15-day return policy anyway, so he can't get out of it taking it back. So it's a good thing I didn't receive it though. I didn't accept it.
Yummy.
These are not near a good headset as the Jab was. But I'll give them a try.
Sarap yung sauce niya. Veggie lang yan. So, kailangan i-prepare kay kalbo. Hot, don't eat na.
You want me to tell now, baby?
Sorry?
You want me to tell now, baby?
No, it's alright.
Sorry.
Thank you. You want to tell what? Seafood. Ay, sa kanya yung tofu.
Tell me how bad these are. Pretty fucking loud. Pretty loud, huh? Yeah, that's my earplug. Oh, let me call you back in 2 seconds with my other call back. I sound like I'm in a train station. Try that one. Yeah, these are the Jack recipes. The other one was my phone. They're like a little lower brand. They're the earphones. Oh, earphones. Oh, they're crap. They just
Ah, same. It's really good. Okay guys, pawis ako dahil sa sobrang anghang, super spicy. Tapos dumagdag pa kami, so nag-add kami ulit kasi we still want to eat. Hindi pa kami nabusog, nag-order pa kami ulit para yun, nag-relax pa si Mr. Relax muna siya. So guys, continuein ko muna to. Sarap. Work na?
Yeah. Maybe just needed to charge or something. Not charge the pitch. Or I'm going to eat this again without crying. Chopstick challenged here. They say chopsticks challenged.
Press. So, ubos.
Lisa ate everything. I didn't get her to any of it. She
You
just
eat
saw her like
everything.
she's like a vacuum cleaner. And I'm telling the truth.
Not like.
Yeah. She even look at that. She even got stuff on my shirt.
Yeah, what is that?
She even got stuff on my shirt. She's so messy. She'd see her flinging the stuff around when she's eating. Crazy. It was scary. It was pretty scary actually.
I don't think.
Yeah, you should saw her.
Alright. Okay. What did you give me gift?
Okay, this is your first time I give you Terry voucher.
Wow.
Special for you.
Cool. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
So guys, if you are guys around, can visit what is the name of the Mala Hotpot? So in Mid Valley Shopping Mall, and it's a friendly staff here. They are really good. Thank you so
Welcome
much
to
for
my
good
valley
service.
and
Yeah.
Mala Hotpot.
Guys, naging friend namin yung cashier. So binigyan kami ng voucher for 20 ringgit. So now we're going back home guys because it's so busy here, so many people. And kasi soon it's a Chinese New Year, right?
It's like open the floodgates. It's like
Yeah.
walking through a hurricane through here. There's people everywhere.
Yeah. We was in Philippines and so busy when it was Christmas.
Did Christmas in the Philippines was like a hurricane. Now we came back to Chinese
and
New
now
Year.
you come back
Malaysia
to
is like a
Malaysia.
hurricane. Yeah.
It's the same thing.
It's
because
like a
the
people hurricane. They're
Chinese
like
New
everywhere. Their
Year.
bodies are coming at you. You got to move. It's going to run you over if you don't get out of their way.
Super.
Anyways. all right.
Anyway, guys, talk later. So now it's less. Earlier it's so busy.
It's a people hurricane.